everyone, it's the Kid of Games, and today we're playing Brawl Stars, and I'd like to show you how to use Carl's newest gadget, the flying hook. And I'd like you to like and subscribe for more content and how to use gadget videos. The way Carl's flying hook gadget works is instead of him throwing his pickaxe, he throws the pickaxe with him like this. This can be used in an n number of opportunities, and Carl became a really good brawler in the Brawl Stars finals or the World Champions. Anyways guys, I'll try to win this game, and yeah, good luck for me. Guys, we won that game, and if you saw in the game, I used my flying hook to propel me and then activate my super. It's a good way to do it because Carl can go close and use his super, and I also wanted to use it for escaping, but I lost it. Anyways guys, that's basically the video done. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe for more how to use gadget videos, and I'll see you guys next